The precise cartilage knife consists of a two-piece cutting block, a knurled nut, a blade holder, and a mini container for distance plates. To assemble the precise cartilage cutter, remove top and bottom part of the cutting block from the sterilization tray. Place the bottom part with the thread pointing up on a flat surface. Align the top part in a 90-degree angle on top of it and screw on the nut loosely. Remove the pre-assembled nut from the blade holder. And take one sterile blade from its packaging. Place the first half of the blade holder on a flat surface with the pins pointing upwards and place the blade onto it. Make sure that the notches in the blade are placed securely around the pins of the blade holder. Place the second part of the blade holder onto the bottom part and blade. Insert the screw through the top half of the holder and tighten. The cutting edge of the blade exceeds the blade holder by 0.1 millimeters. Now place the harvested cartilage into the recess of the cutting block, with the perichondrium side facing up. Turn the upper part of the cutting block to align it with the bottom part and tighten the knurled screw. Make sure the nut is screwed tightly but does not compress the cartilage. The cartilage should not exceed the edges of the cutting block. If the harvested piece is too long, cut off the exceeding part with the blade first. Then insert the blade in the recess of the cutting block and cut the cartilage with sawing movements. The first cut serves to remove the perichondrium. Leave the blade inside the cutting block and place the cartilage cutter on the working surface. Unscrew the nut and remove the upper part of the cutting block. Put the perichondrium aside and remove the blade. The cartilage slice for further preparation is underneath the blade. The distance plates allow cutting the cartilage into any defined thickness between 0.7 and 0.1 millimeters. The recess of the cutting block is 0.7 millimeters deep. If distance plates are inserted, their thickness needs to be subtracted from the 0.7 millimeters to calculate the thickness of the cartilage slice. As an example, if you are using the 0.3 millimeter distance plate, the prepared cartilage slice will have a thickness of 0.4 millimeters. Now place the cartilage into the recess of the cutting block. Follow the previous steps of cutting the cartilage. The prepared cartilage slice will be located between the blade and the distance plate and is ready for further use. Kurz, Middle Ear Intelligence for more than 30 years.